Mount Sunflower, the highest point in Kansas. And we have to go apparently 12 miles on the dirt road to do it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Roadway may flood. Well, I think we're almost there. I'm hiking so hard today. It's such a hike. Oh, so strenuous. Oh, my feet, my back. I think I'm getting a sunburn. Oh, so dehydrated. Where's my mountain house meals? Oh, I think I ate them all. Oh no. Well, maybe this high point wasn't a hike today. Oh well, I suppose not all high points, state high points, end up being a hike. At least they better have a marker. Okay, here we are. Mount Sunflower, highest point in Kansas. Welcome. Mount Sunflower is on private property. It's a working cattle ranch. Cattle have the right of way. You are welcome to enjoy the summit and the panoramic views. Treat it with respect. Pack it in, pack it out. We are not responsible for accidents, cow patty, or otherwise. Jones Herald family owners and caretakers. Well, that's the Mount Sunflower. And there's the panoramic views. Make it all manageable. Edward and Elizabeth Fortin Herald Homestead in Wallace County, 1906, in loving memory. Your children, Arthur, Ralph, Clarence, Irene, Russell, Raymond, Edith, Ruth, Warren, Pauline. And, oh, that's an IV, not an arrow. Florence, South Dakota, 648 miles. Kit Carson, Colorado, 54 miles. Dayton, North Dakota, 903 miles. Holcomb, Kansas, 121 miles. Big Fork, Montana, 1,153 miles. Stockholm, Sweden, 4,838 miles. Jared, Sweden, 4,875 miles. And Weskin, it doesn't have a mileage marker. They don't have a marker for me to touch. Oh, Mount Sunflower registration. Where will this lead? 4,039 feet elevation. Stuff in there. You can see. Is that a beer? No, I was gonna say I'd like a beer, but I can't have a beer because I'm getting ready to drive. Okay, I can't take that beer because it says leave a beer for the owner. At least what kind is it? Oh, whiskey stout. Awesome. What's in there? Oh, business cards and notes. make sure it's closed good. What's over here? Well, I guess I don't have to worry about a day pack. I'm not hiking around the ranch. Sunflower is now home to a little library. Huh. Well, that's cool. A little library at Mount Sunflower. Oh, in today's carry, the really dark, because it's in the shade, the dark timber. There you go. Dark timber mid-tech Tavi without the scales. This is today's carry. I usually use it as a neck blade, neck knife. Because it's super lightweight. So that is today's carry. Well, not much to hike about, I guess. So now I have 3 of my 10 state high point goals accomplished. Alright, well, until then, until next time, get out and enjoy life, enjoy nature, enjoy the scenes. Take it easy. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.